What up, guys? Miguel here of Gigatech, and we are here at Sydney in the South by Southwest Sydney event here at the HP booth, checking out the HP Spectre Fold 17, which will be released in the Philippines with an expensive price tag. So this is a 3-in-1 tablet, laptop, desktop computer, and let's check it out. HP has taken a giant leap into the future with the introduction of the HP Spectre Fold 17, proudly claiming the title of the world's thinnest 17-inch foldable PC, retailing for 319,990 pesos in the Philippines this coming December. This cutting-edge device promises to redefine the portable computing experience. The HP Spectre Fold 17 is not just a laptop, it's also a desktop computer and a tablet with pen support. It does this with the help of its 17-inch foldable OLED display, weighing in at just under 3 pounds with the charger included. It's an engineering marvel, making it one of the lightest 17-inch hybrid computers in the market. For I/O, it features two Thunderbolt 4 USB Type-C ports, which both support power delivery. It also features volume buttons and a power button. When the display is completely unfolded, we get a 17-inch tablet experience. Prop it up with the built-in kickstand at its rear, and now we're in desktop mode. Fold it at a 90-degree angle and add the magnetic Bluetooth keyboard, and it turns into a compact 12.3-inch clamshell laptop. You can even get a two-display experience by pulling the keyboard a bit lower and using part of the bottom display as an extended screen. What sets the Spectre Fold apart from its predecessors is the integration of artificial intelligence. HP boldly claims it to be the world's first foldable PC with built-in AI for security, wellness, and gesture controls. It features screen time reminders, touch-free content control, and presence detection, which if the webcam sees someone looking at what you're working on from over your shoulder or behind you, it intelligently blurs out your display for added security, which can be somewhat annoying or useful depending on its sensitivity. The Spectre Fold features Intel's 12th generation Core i7-1250OU, 16GB of LPDDR5 memory, and 1TB of storage. Because of its thin chassis, we don't get a dedicated GPU here for interested gamers. Instead, it features Intel's Iris Xe along with the 12th gen i7 chipset. The 3:4 aspect ratio foldable OLED panel gets a resolution of 1920 by 2560 and is rated for a max brightness of 500 nits. For video calls, it features a 5-megapixel infrared true vision camera that also enables users to utilize Windows Hello. Powering this 3-in-1 is a 6-cell 94.3 watt-hour lithium-ion battery, and it comes with a 100-watt USB Type-C power adapter in the box. Now, with all that said and done, with innovation comes a hefty price tag, and at 319,990 pesos, the HP Spectre Fold competes in the upper echelons of laptop pricing. However, it aims to justify this with a promise of up to 12 hours of battery life, seamless integration of Windows with the foldable form factor, and a magnetic keyboard that ensures a comfortable typing experience. Now, who is it for? Well, number one, it's for those who can afford it and users who want to have a dynamic workflow when it comes to their portable computer. You can use this in the kitchen to look up recipes, in an open space to practice your yoga, in the office to crunch numbers, and even in a studio for light video and photo manipulation. At the end of the day, it's a tool that's only limited by its user. But with a price tag like this, you may want to wait for these kind of products to steer into the more affordable direction. But if you're someone who always wants to be on the cusp of the cutting edge, this 319,990 peso 3-in-1 will be available locally on December 20, 2023. Alright, so that was the HP Spectre Fold 17. What do you guys think of this device? Let us know in the comment section below. But if you enjoyed this video, be sure to smack that like button, subscribe to our YouTube channel, hit that bell icon so you get notified of our future uploads. Be sure to visit gigatech.com for the latest tech news and reviews. Once again, this has been Miguel, and I'll see you in the next one.